We start with a big story coming in. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri has landed in Dhaka and will be expected to raise India's concerns over attacks on Hindus and other minorities with Dhaka on his day-long visit to Bangladesh today. Significantly, in the first high-level trip from New Delhi after a massive uprising ended, deposed Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's 15-year rule in August this year, Misri is scheduled to hold wide-ranging talks with his Bangladeshi counterpart. That is right. Big update coming in right now, viewers. This is the first high-profile diplomatic outreach since the former PM Sheikh Hasina fled to India. And this is something very important coming in right now, viewers, where we'll see that the Foreign Secretary will be there in Dhaka, and he is going to hold a lot of structured interactions with Bangladesh. That's what the MEA is saying, viewers. So this is the big update coming in right now on Republic TV. And let's not forget that there is a strain in the relationship between India and Bangladesh after we saw that even India was very concerned about the attacks on minorities in Bangladesh. Those pictures coming in right now, viewers, on Republic TV, those are the live pictures coming in. These are the first on Republic pictures coming in of Vikram Misri, who has just landed in Dhaka a short while back. And we have with us our colleague joining us on the phone line. Okay, those pictures are coming in right now. India has announced that Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri will travel to Bangladesh on Monday, a visit that comes amid increasing strain in ties between New Delhi and Dhaka over attacks on minorities, including Hindus in the neighboring country. First high-level visit from New Delhi to Dhaka after deposed Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina fled Bangladesh and took shelter in India following massive anti-government protest. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson says that Misri will travel to Bangladesh and attend a meeting under the framework of Foreign Office consultations. For more, let's go across to my colleague joining us, Senior Executive Editor Abhishek Kapoor joining us. Abhishek, very important visit, given the fact this is the first high-level visit after the Muhammad Yunus became the chief advisor of the Bangladesh government, making this visit extremely important. If you could take our viewers through the significance and what we can expect next now.
Well, the significance is that, as you rightly mentioned, this is the highest level engagement that's really happening between the two sides in recent times after the crisis broke out in Bangladesh post the August 5 coup, if you can call it. The changes which really led to the ouster of Sheikh Hasina as Prime Minister, as an elected Prime Minister, and her getting replaced by a regime which is unelected, and Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus helming it, and other advisors also, typically bureaucrats, former army generals, etc. So obviously it's not a representative government in Bangladesh, but the manner in which those changes have been effected clearly suggests that there are outside powers that have really carried out a regime change because Sheikh Hasina government was not amenable to their machinations. So obviously there are a lot of things to talk about between the two sides, particularly the manner in which the security situation for India has panned out. All the forces let loose in Bangladesh since August 5 are those which are typically inimical to India's interests on its national security, on its people-to-people relationship. And we have seen episodes like burning of Indian products, including saris. We have seen minorities being targeted, temples being attacked, vandalized, arrests being carried out, due process of law not being followed. So even if I don't, for example, mention the specific case of Chinmay Krishnadas, even otherwise, if you look at it, the security situation has worsened. Release of the likes of Jashimuddin and others clearly suggest that the present government led by Muhammad Yunus is if not aware, if not unaware, it is actually indulging with those forces which do not have best interests of India in mind. So obviously, as a neighbor, that's not a good conduct. I don't know for how far we would push in terms of specifics. But this is a moment to have a dialogue, to understand each other's concerns. Even Bangladeshi side, for example, might say that we have these concerns, so why not? Let's discuss that. So that's the objective with which Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri has landed in Dhaka, as we see in the pictures.
Right.
He's going to spend all day there, and hopefully by the time the visit ends, Shivangi, both sides would have better appreciation of the concerns on each side.
Well, thank you for joining us there, Abhishek Kapoor, our